Here's our Grady White 235 Freedom. This is a new model for 17. You do see the large strake lines here. It does have the custom all color. Powered by a Yamaha 300. Trim tabs. We'll go aboard here. You do see a 4-step boarding ladder. Plenty of storage space. LED lighting. Tuna door. That aft seat does fold down. Large scuppers. Very large live well. Fish locker. Pull-up cleats. Water fill-up. This seat does move forward and back. Hard to see in here with all the cushions. Fairly large head. Plenty of room here for your electronics. Tow rails. Over there in the corner is where your battery disconnect switch. Storage space here below the helm. More lockers. These are insulated and do drain overboard. A windlass up front. Fusion speaker system. And your anchor locker. See how large and thick this fiberglass is here. It's your bow roller. We do have a hardtop coming for this boat as well.